Hello there, the modern world. Today, the world is not fair. It's because we know all that. Some of you or we all have a questions for that reason. And all of this is because of this. The people, all people have a lot worldwide have a problem like this. And some of the country not like this, but this one continues suffering because of poverty. Poverty is a kind of sicknesses in every country. Yes, because today money, the money and the money and the money for people who have money is the king of all. First, the financial freedom. It goes around in this world. There's the boss, the owner, they all, and they have all. Money, money, and money. So many years, people die for this lack of financial. Bank. We know all bank is the people who stay for money. But some people did not know what is this. Or for the people in high class. Or just like employment. All of your life stay in your eight cubicle, slave for many years. The same salary is not enough. It is the time to change all this. No more pain. Financial freedom is here. Away all tears from their eyes, and there shall be no one, no more death, neither sorrow nor crying, neither shall be there any more pain. Break the belt of poverty. Poverty is a general scarcity of dirt, or the state of one who lacks a certain amount of material possession or money. It is a multi concept which includes social, economic, and political elements. The belt of poverty is until when to every community of people. Introducing the power of giving, the MMM. This is a community of ordinary people, selflessly helping each other, a kind of global fund of mutual aid. It's the time. It's a time for us to change, time to share. MMM is a community where people help each other. MMM gives you a technical basic program which helped million participants worldwide to find those who need help and those who are ready to provide help for free, and ever living freedom every day to have a freedom and to have a better life. How it does work? MMM participants give help by transferring the money to each other directly. Everything is very simple. One participant asks for help and the other one help. And to provide help means your intention to donate in our participants in the community. You are providing a financial assistance to the community and to others. Getting help to others means you are asking for financial assistance in MMM community. MMM have a charity events to break the financial apocalypse in this world. Charity event for children's, for the youth, and for all people. Together we change the world. We can do a lot. We can change the world. Financial apocalypse is inevitable. Once again, this is De Leon from Manila, Philippines. Together we change the world. Have a blessed day, everyone.